Hey dear folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518 Pro to program 2060 Kit K3 Smart Key.
Program the smart key. What we need to be prepared for is K518 Pro, OBD communication cable, an original car key and a new smart key. First, plug in OBD communication cable. Select IMO and remote. Kia. From vehicle, China. Find K3YD. After 2014. Program smart key. Read pin code 8 as smart key. Turn off the ignition. Open and close the driver's door once. Click OK. OK. The pin code is read successfully and click OK. The second step is smart key. Note that all smart keys need to be programmed, otherwise they will not be able to start vehicle. Click OK. Press the start button once. OK. Turn off the ignition. Open and close the driver's door once. OK. The PIN code has been automatically entered successfully. OK. Please prepare all the smart keys to be programmed ready. Complete the operation within 5 seconds after clicking OK. OK. Program successfully. Continue to program next one and click OK. According to the prompt, complete the operation within 5 seconds after clicking OK. The program is successful. Continue to program the next one. Click Cancel. Program completed successfully. Let's see if the keys work. New key. Step on the brake and press the start button. The new key started successfully. The original car key. Step on the brake and press the start button. The original car key was successfully started. Let's try the remote control. New key lock car. Unlock. The original car key locks the car. Unlock all the car keys normally.
We have programmed Smart Key for 2060 Kit K3. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate. More surprise ahead.